Habari, jina langu ni Kituko, nikaribishwa kwa bustani mwisho. What up, man? Dead End Gardening, Kituko, welcome. Read it. Voiceover coming up. Yo. What's happening, people? I planted 2 Moringa seeds, man. Y'all can follow the journey as I grow these bitches and climb these bitches. They're not bitches. But hey, I'm doing this shit one-handed. Ain't got no tripod, no nothing. I don't even do this shit, man. But yep. Got the seed from my brother. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate y'all. Shoot y'all. Hey though, y'all see a wet paper towel, Ziploc bag, yo. Plant man in the building. Let go. But look. I planted these bitches December the 31st, some shit like that. But look. You see why I call them Coco and Caramel, you see? Look at that beautiful Moringa footage. Beautiful. Oh, they ready to go in the ground right now. They gone. They done took off. They gone. About 5 days, some shit like that. They gone. Just like that. In the Ziploc. It's still a little wet. But look at them. So they like, what the day is? January 14th, I mean, some shit like that. I don't know, 13th. But look at that. Coco, Caramel. And Caramel a little longer than Coco, see? She still is right now, she still is. I'm gonna show y'all, give y'all an update on this shit. Y'all ought to see them now. Oh my goodness. They couldn't wait to get in the goddamn in the pot. But these pots. Yeah, I just grabbed some shit from Walmart. Some what is that? Shake and feed. Hey. Y'all probably laughing like, what the fuck? Hey, I just grabbed this shit, man. I use some more shit now, but I'm about to build a greenhouse and all that shit up a little natural and organic shit. No drainage, no holes. I ain't drilled no holes, no nothing. But hey, they still alive. I don't water them though. I ain't had to water them before. I watered them one time, but I don't know. But yep, that's it. Mix that shit up one hand. That's about it. Yep. One hand. Excuse my goddamn camera. Excuse my microphone. I had to get all that shit. Excuse my language. Yeah. I'm in Georgia. So, hey. Shake and feed. But yeah, man. I thought these Moringa trees, hey, the best tree in the world to me. All the nutrients, everything, whatever you need is it. These plants are alive, they conscious, I'm telling you. Hey. They like desert weather and shit. So I got, it's pretty cold. I put them in my Suburban outside. get a little sunlight, create a little greenhouse effect. Cause I ain't got no greenhouse yet, but I'm finna build me a green. I'm finna make one. About 2 or 3 of them, bitches. Oh yeah. Yep. I'm gonna do that. Aquaponics, hydroponics. Yeah, I brought them in at night for a couple of days. I got them straight now. They in the grow room now. But put the heat on them. Hey, I took care of my babies. Put the heat on. They had their own heater. Yes. But there go the aquaponics idea. I ain't done it yet, but I bet you, mark my words on it. Like, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do the video, all that shit. See, I got an idea how I want to do this shit. That's bucket. There go the pump, gravity feed, 300-gallon IBC tank. I already got that already. I'm finna show you in a second. But hey, bam, there it is. Hey, I'm cutting the top of that bitch. Make me a bed out of it, but it ain't gonna be like everybody else shit. I'm gonna cut just a little bit. But I already got a couple buckets though for my Dutch bucket system. Boy, it going down for real though, man. But hey, hit me up, follow me, whatever you got to do, man. You might have some ideas or something for me though. Kituko X, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Read. Asante kwa kutasama.